Welcome DIY styling mavens to Miss Jane's weekly styling hacks. Now this week, this is Mavis in the background. This week I'll be chatting about how to place art when you've got 4 or more pieces. So now often people do this, as you'll see in the next slide, and what's happening here that they're placing the artwork way too far apart. So I'll show you how to do it the right way. Just a sec. This is the right way. So you see here we've got our artwork with about 50 millimeters apart from each frame. Now this works well on this wall because it's not, as you can see, it's not a huge wall, but it works really, really well. It's about 600 off the floor. And as you can see, I think I've told you last time, I've got 2.8 meter ceilings. But what you want when you're grouping art in groups, as we are here, whether it be 12 up to down to 2, the smaller the wall, the smaller together. And if you've got, say if you've got 12 pieces, you can bring that down to about 30 millimeter spaces, and I'd say up to 80 mil. That's your golden rule guide. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed and see you next week with my little Mavis. Take care, bye.